ओके मु ए क्लास को रेकॉर्डिंग करिवि प्लस बस स्क्रीन शेयर करिवि जा डिस्कशन करथिले हमें विल कंटिन्यू फ्रॉम देयर आई विल शेयर माय स्क्रीन and the same thing I am sending after the end of the class. This slide is your syllabus. General management is the paper, the first paper in the first semester. We'll understand the concept of management, the role, responsibility, management through objective, communication, feedback, coordination, controlling, how to control, departmentation, different types of departmentation, decentralization. We'll understand all these things in this paper. This is your syllabus. This is the overview and highlights of your chapters. We'll complete one by one. We started the concept of management, understanding what is management. For example, you take any example, any small company or big company. Suppose when you talk about big company, it is there, Tata comes to your mind. Tata, Reliance, all these things are coming to your mind. Suppose तुम टाटा नेउचो, टाटा रा example लिया. They have diversified business. They have product like consumer goods, even starting from Tata Salt to Tata Motors, Tata Truck. Tata has acquired electricity. Tata has garment business. Tata Steel. So if you complete the MBA course and you know the general management, you have big opportunity in all sectors. So you talk about the same thing in different business like Reliance, Aditya Birla, Sahara. These groups are having diversified business in all sectors. Consumer product sector, medical sector, Tata Titan, watch, and jewelry. Tanishq is from Tata. There are garment industry like Judio or West Side. These are also from Tata. So what I mean to say, this management concept is everywhere. Even if you do the management at your home, small scale management and large scale management, you are managing everything. You are staying alone means you are managing yourself. You are managing your room, you are managing your desk, you are managing your computer. So management is everywhere in each and every steps of your life. And these things will study in this chapter, in this paper. What I was telling, the process. There are couple of words, process. In the next slide is there. Process, effectiveness, efficiency, the meaning I was telling, how it is important to understand. You talk any example, any course. There are process. Suppose you want to go to your college. You are from a different place, you want to go Bhubaneswar, you have 1 or 2 work at Bhubaneswar. So you are planning that. So early morning you start from home. How you will go? You will reach by college. What time the college will open? And you'll finish the work. Then you'll complete the other work. Then what time you'll come to bus stand? So what is the bus timing? So how will you come to your home again? So you are planning, you are organizing, staffing, leading and controlling. These are part of process. So you'll read and understand this, what is this. But in a small scale, you are doing the same thing. You are planning. Then effectiveness, efficiency, I was telling you what is the meaning of effectiveness and efficiency. Remember a small things, effectiveness means you are doing the job in the given time. Whatever job is given to you, whatever time is given to you, you are completing the job. Efficiency is you are doing the same thing but in less time and you are less resource. You are saving the money, saving the time, saving the manpower. So that means you are efficient. You are doing the same work in a less time. Efficiency involves cost benefit analysis. That means you are saving the cost. It focus can be delivering more benefits by using less resources. You are getting more benefits by using less resources. Effectiveness, being effective or doing work effectively, finishing the given task or achieving the goal. You are completing the same work, but you are not saving anything. You are not applying your extra effort. In efficiency, you are doing the same thing. So that is the difference. So these see what process, effectiveness, efficiency are important in management. When we talk about management, these things will always come. You remember the basic thing. Then we have couple of definition. We'll read this. At the most fundamental level, management is a discipline that consists of a set of 5 general functions: planning, organizing, staffing, leading, and controlling. This is what I was telling. We'll understand, we'll read one by one. But you remember, these are the 4 components of management: planning, organizing, staffing, leading, and controlling. By the dictionary meaning, you understand what is planning. So I was giving one example. So you are doing for everything, you are doing planning. Suppose you have to write one exam in January, you are planning from now. This is the time you study. These are the papers. So you have to spend this much time. So this is planning. Organizing means you are keeping everything in place. The books, the notes, whatever organizing. Suppose you are going to your college. For what purpose? For admission. For keeping all the papers, all the documents, you are keeping the money, so everything in one place. So that is organizing. Staffing. Staffing is recruiting. Suppose you are running a business at your home. You have people to do the work for different things. Or you are having a shop or business. You are recruiting people for cleaning, for sweeping, for selling. So this is called staffing. Leading. So whoever are working with you, you are leading them. You are giving the proper direction. You are telling them what to do, what not to do. So that is leading. And controlling, you are monitoring each and everything, if people are working properly or not, and you are reviewing their work. That is controlling. Planning, organizing, staffing, leading, controlling. So these are the basic concept of management, basic component, and all these things are coming in the management. You should be hands-on and strong in all this field. There are numerous definitions of management. Different experts have different point of view. So we'll read. There are many personality, many psychologists, many scientists. They have given different meaning to the management. There are many definitions, but here is simple, and some definition I have given, some famous definition. Mary Parker Follett. Mary Parker is one psychologist, one scientist, has told management is the art of getting things done through people. It's a very simple definition. Management is the art of getting things done through people. That means people are working, you are getting the things done through people. Then another definition, management is the art of getting things done and with people in formally organized groups. It is the art of creating an environment in which people can perform and individual could cooperate towards attending the group goals. This is more towards the goals, objective, and teaming the people, achieving the same work by group. The same definition as like little bit elaborated or explained. So how the management is getting the things done through people, through groups, and people have different objectives. To achieve that objectives, you are focusing on different processes, different action, different activity. And when you are doing those things, you are applying those things, planning, organizing, staffing, leading, and controlling. I was giving one example of Tata and Reliance or Aditya Birla, or you take any example. So these people has different business, different units, different sectors of business in different groups. They are into consumer product, they are into manufacturing, they are into services, they are into healthcare. So each function has different units, different groups, and the management has a big scope in each function. So that is the concept of management. So that if we understand, if we analyze the definition, getting things done through people, that means you are doing something through people. At your home, तम घरे जड़े कि आसुची सफासफी करिया लगी कि धुआधी करिया लगी कि घर पोछा झाड़ू इत्यादि करिया लगी. You are managing that person. So ultimately what you are doing? तमे गोटे लोक रखिछ तमरा ई काम करिया लगी. You are getting the things done through people. तमे तो जितेबाला रखिल से तमार काम करिवो कि नहीं, से को काम करिवो, कौन करिवो, सब कथबार्ता कल, दैट इज स्टाफिंग. And You are paying something. So if you are managing that person, you are monitoring that work, what that person is doing, not doing, and when you are paying, how much you are paying. Suppose you paid in advance or you paid in something in the festival time, something. So you are tracking everything. So these are nothing but management. You are doing in a small system. Maybe you are doing, or your mother is doing, or your father is doing. So someone is doing at your home. Management ଏସବୁ ଜିନିଷ କରିବାକୁ ପଡିବ. What I am giving one example is small scale at your home, but the same thing you are doing in a large scale in factory, in manufacturing unit. You are managing the people, work, their compensation, their timing. There are a lot of things to manage. That is the concept of management. Then we'll understand how it is related to different action planning, organizing, staffing, leading, and controlling, and what are the different types of industry. We'll take a quick break, maybe after 5 minutes we'll join in the same link. Then we'll discuss all these entities, all this concept of management, then different types of industry in this class. Thank you.